You came to this video because you suck at making channel banners.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
And don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you how to get started with Nano Banana Pro, generate banners with a good prompt, and crop banners to apply to your channel. To get started with Nano Banana Pro, simply sign into Gemini with Google account that has Google AI Pro and select Create Image. You will be able to type in a prompt to start creating your image. After a little while, your image will be created. Keep in mind that Nano Banana Pro may take longer to generate than Nano Banana due to higher quality. Let's try an example prompt. The prompt template will be in the description, but on screen, there will be an example of a good prompt. This is the one we'll first use. The first step we need to do to start generating banners is to copy a banner template from Google Images. Search YouTube banner template and copy the first one that pops up. While we are back in Gemini, paste the image of the template and then your prompt into the prompt bar. Make any adjustments if needed. Once your banner is generated, view it and download it. If it is not good enough, you can simply retry. The next step in our process is making sure our image is the right aspect ratio. We can do this by using an online editing software. I recommend Canva, as it is free and perfect for our situation. You need to overlay the template image over our banner to view. If everything looks right, then you can simply upload the image to YouTube Customization tab. Now it's time for the best part. Upload your banner to YouTube and crop accordingly. Make sure all the settings are correct and then hit Save and then Publish. And now for the results. This is the channel before our banner, and this is the channel after. I'd say that's a pretty big difference. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.